I'm going to show you why this keyboard is unlike anything you've used before. It's called the Smart Mechanical Keyboard MK1 by ThirdReality. Sure, it does mechanical keyboard stuff, responsive keys, RGB lighting, but it has one big trick up its sleeve that I've never seen on another keyboard. This is actually an early test unit that I got at CES 2025 in Las Vegas. It is a white mechanical keyboard that uses Gatoron yellow switches. They are smooth yet clicky without too much noise. There are RGB lights with numerous LED effects that you can choose from. Press function plus left or right arrow keys to toggle through the different modes. You can also press function plus up or down arrows to adjust the LED brightness, or function plus page up or down to alter the LED effect speed. When caps lock is on, it flashes at you so you know. But none of what I said so far is why you're getting this keyboard. You're buying it because of what it says underneath. That's right, this keyboard has Matter support built in. This means you can connect it to any one of your favorite smart home platforms and control your smart home right from the keyboard. The first 10 function keys at the top of the keyboard can be programmed to control a smart home device or to trigger a home automation. Just press function plus F1 through F10 to trigger the smart home action. You could use this to toggle lights on and off, adjust their brightness, start an automation that sets the scene in your office or game room with special lighting effects or changes to window shades, or that turns everything off at the end of the day and arms the alarm, or just about anything else that you can think of. To start, I mapped F1 to control the lights of my office, F2 to trigger an automation that gets the room ready to record a video, and F3 to put everything back the way it was. I love this. That all sounds great, but how do you actually set this up and program it to control your smart home? I'll show you how I did it using Home Assistant and Apple Home. First, make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Second, you'll need the Matter server add-on and Matter integration added to Home Assistant. If you don't have that or even know what I'm talking about, I'll leave a link with more info on what to do. Third, open the Home Assistant companion app on your phone and go to Settings, Devices and Services, Devices, Add Device, Add Matter Device, select No It's New, and it will ask to scan a Matter QR code. Fourth, plug in the keyboard to a USB-A port on your docking station or computer. The escape key should flash blue for about 5 seconds to indicate it is in Matter pairing mode. Finally, scan the Matter QR code on the bottom of your keyboard using your phone. It will connect and then set up the device. The unit I have is not yet Matter certified, so I got a warning telling me that, and I just clicked Add anyway. But final versions of this keyboard will be Matter certified. Once added to Home Assistant, you can give the device a name. At first, you may notice in Home Assistant that all the function key entities are in an unknown state. To resolve this, just press function plus F1 through F10 in succession, and Home Assistant should immediately observe the button press events in the device log. Now, you're ready to program the function keys to control your smart home and Home Assistant. To do this, create a new automation based on the state change of an entity. In the When or Trigger section of the automation editor, search for the F1 button entity. Click the 3 dots to the right and select Edit ID. Give it a name, such as Trigger_1. In the Actions under Then Do, search for the Choose function. For option 1, select the name of the ID you created a moment ago. Then choose the action you want to occur when the F1 key is pressed, such as toggling a light. You can duplicate the trigger and the action for each of the 10 function keys. Just make sure to give each trigger a unique ID and then to select each ID separately in the options under Choose. I'll also leave a link to my automation code if you just want to copy and paste it and save time. You can also add the keyboard to other smart home platforms like Apple Home. If it's the first time pairing the keyboard, open the Apple Home app, click the plus icon, choose Add Accessory, scan the Matter QR code underneath the keyboard, and you should be good to go. But if you first pair the keyboard to another smart home platform and you want to then add it to another smart home platform, go to the device in the first smart home platform and you'll need to turn on pairing mode, which gives a new unique code that you'll then paste into that second smart home platform during setup. I know Matter, it's a bit wonky. Devices such as this keyboard that connect using Matter-over-WiFi, not Matter-over-Thread, can pose challenges to anyone with a more complex internet network setup, such as separate VLANs for IoT and other devices. If you have a flat network, adding Matter devices using Wi-Fi should go smoothly. But if you do have different VLANs, one easier tip is to ensure that your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID that is on the same VLAN as your Home Assistant server. Otherwise, it may fail to add the keyboard during setup. Once the keyboard is set up, you can reconnect your phone to any Wi-Fi SSID that you'd like. The ThirdReality Smart Mechanical Keyboard MK1 will be available for purchase sometime in March 2025 for $79.99. Get subscribed to the channel and I can notify you when it's out. This was honestly one of those devices that I didn't know I needed until I saw it. I spend way too much of my life at this desk, but at least it's convenient having smart home control and home automations just a keystroke away. I want to hear from you. What else should I program these function keys to do? How would you use it? Let me know down in the comments. My name is Michael Leen, and this channel is all about how tech can make you more productive, especially through home automation, with new videos every week. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. And if you want additional value and discounts on my smart home merch, consider becoming a channel member. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.